Hey there, my name is Justin. Other of you know me as Jiggy. First, welcome to the garage at the 608. I believe in simple things, good tools, sturdy chairs, and good music. But I recently discovered something I'm willing to admit is fun. These are the Govee outdoor spotlights too, and they make regular outdoor lights look like sad underachieving candles. So what are these? These are smart RGB IC outdoor spotlights. We have the model H7093, the 2-pack, and the model H7094, the 4-pack. Translation, they're bright, colorful, and controlled from your phone. Govee says they're about 50% brighter than the previous version with 700 lumens each, and it shows. Once you use these, going back to a basic hardware store spotlight, feels like trading in a steak for a plain rice cake. They're compact, they're solid, they come with stakes, and then you have your mounting hardware. You can stab them into the ground or bolt them to something that isn't going anywhere. They're built for outdoors with weather-resistant IP67 aluminum design, so rain, dust, and bad decisions at your backyard parties won't bother them. You put them in, you leave them there, and they just work. This I respect. Here's where they stop behaving like normal lights. They're RGB IC, so each device can show multiple colors at the same time. Gradients, shifting colors, subtle effects. Full-blown holiday chaos, it's all in there. Compared to a regular white spotlight that knows one trick, on or off, these feel like hiring an entire lighting crew for your bushes. So you control everything with the Govee Home app. There's up to 64 scene modes straight out of the box. There's scenes for calm, cozy, party, holiday, and a bunch more. You can fine-tune the brightness, the color, the effects, or let the presets do all the work. You can also sync them to music if you want your lights to react to whatever noise you call a playlist. It's surprisingly effective at making a normal backyard look like you plan things on purpose. Plus, they can be controlled with Matter, Google Home, or Alexa. Setup's really pretty straightforward. You plug them into an outdoor outlet using the plug, place the lights or mount them, open the app, and pair them. The only real challenge is figuring out where to run the cable so your yard does not look like a failed extension cord experiment. Once that's done, you're basically finished. So what are some pros of these lights? They're obviously very bright with upgraded 700 lumen output. There's the RGB IC colors that put basic white spotlights to shame. I love the IP67 weather resistance, so I can just install and forget. I love all the scenes and effects that actually look good. Plus, you can sync it with all your other lights with Dream View. What to keep in mind, you need an outdoor outlet and a bit of cable management. If you enjoy walking outside in the rain or snow to flip a basic switch, this is going to ruin that hobby. So if you're happy with plain one color spotlights, do not try these. They'll make you realize how boring your yard's been this whole time. But if you want your outdoor space to actually look alive, whether it's for holidays, parties, or just sitting outside with a drink, the Govee outdoor spotlights too are surprisingly excellent upgrade. I still like things simple. These just happen to make simple look a lot better at night.